Next one up, Ducati Desert Sled. This is a returning client in for his annual mint up. We're going to do one of our full Monty valets, get all this motor all tidied up, get this exhaust all minted like new. I'll get those springs off, we'll do some polishing, wheels, forks, get everything minted. It needs a bit of corrosion protection. It's got a few rusty bits here and there, so we'll attend to that. Get a nice dosing of XCP, get all this old gritty chain lube off, and get that serviced. The usual bits and pieces that are included in a trot full valet. Let's get cracking. There you go, another trot full Monty valet in the books. This Ducati Scrambler has been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. That exhaust has come up a right treat. Look at that, all those spokes, chrome spokes, not a speck of rust on them. You know why? Because they've been properly protected. This is all included in one of our trot full Monty valets. Full XCP corrosion protection. Everything's been degreased, decontaminated, polished up this brake lever. All up underneath the seats, all been cleaned, XCP'd, all that old chain lube has been degreased off, blow dried, all re-lubed back up. All your sprocket nuts have had a nice little brushing of XCP. Motor, absolutely gleaming. This is a 16,000 miler. This has been traveled all over Europe. Looks like it just rolled out of the showroom. Get yours booked in now. We're open 6 days a week. We do a satisfaction guaranteed service. 07966 249 963.